The Quiet Chef is a compact smart kettle that blends temperature precision with hands-free control via a sleek app interface. The review delves into its 1-degree precision heating, rapid boil times, and how it integrates with routines like morning tea or coffee while saving energy. Pros include consistent temps, quiet operation, and a strong app ecosystem. Cons note a steeper price and occasional connectivity hiccups. Real-world use shows how it becomes a backbone for caffeine rituals and batch tea evenings, with quick maintenance tips for long-term reliability. Overall value hinges on how much you savor perfect temps daily and the convenience of auto schedules for busy lives.